Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. Today's video is going to be a good one, so let's get started. So we got our hands on the new Furitek brushless system, the starter pack actually, for the Furitek Ascent18. We're going to talk about it, we're going to install it, and then we're going to take it out on the rocks and see how it performs. Alright, we got the system right here. So this is the Furitek Starter 2S brushless power system. This is the one that does not include a receiver, so you will have to supply your own receiver. This is only $89.99. Very good pricing for a Furitek system. For these, just like the TRX4Ms, you do not need a motor mount. They bolt right up to the stock transmission, so that's always a plus. So we're going to open this, see what it comes with, and then we're going to get it installed. We got the Lizard Pro ESC. We have the Venom motor. Very nice quality. Always good quality with the Furitek. And we have the mounting hardware. So, always love the packaging, very nice packaging. The quality of the parts are fantastic. Motor already comes with a pinion gear installed. Alright, we got the motor all done. Venom motor installed, drive shafts back on it. I was impressed, there was grease inside this gearbox. Usually you don't see that in RTRs, but there was grease in there. So now we're gonna get it slapped back in the car, find a spot for the other electronics. Alright, we got everything binded. I put it to the FlySky G7P. So now everything is working. We have steering, we have throttle. So right now we're gonna clean everything up, and then I will show you the final result. Here it is. Here is it fully installed. So I changed it up a little bit. I didn't use the front or the rear. I actually put everything on the rock sliders, which is gonna bite me in the butt because I already have links on order and I'm gonna need to take those off to do the links. But as of right now, everything is good. Got the ESC on this side. I have the receiver on this side, which we did bind it to the G7P. And then the stock battery is in the stock location. Very clean, very simple setup. Like I said, this is the 2S starter kit and it is perfect. No issues installing, which I never have any issues with the Furitek systems. So right now we're going to test the capabilities of it. Look how slow you can get that motor. I'm barely on the throttle. This is actually my first Venom motor. I have the Micro Komodo, I have the Komodo, I have the couple other ones too, but I don't have a Venom. So I'm very excited to see how this Venom performs. I can already tell it's super smooth, just like my other ones. Great wheel speed. Wow, that's actually very impressive. Very torquey. That's actually really good. I'm very impressed on the wheel speed. Definitely help you get up and over some rocks. Furitek is known for that smooth crawling. Very smooth throttle curve. I'm probably going to go in the app and tweak a couple things just because I like to change the drag brake and all that, but very impressive. So just for fun, let's take it on some crawler tracks and see how it performs. We're only going to do a couple just because I want to get this thing outside and see how it performs in the real world. Beautiful. Performs so well. You can never go wrong with the Furitek system. Didn't even have to change the throttle position. Stayed in one position, crawled right over it. Perfect. Alright, that's enough teasing you. Let's take this thing outside and see how it really performs. Alright, before we get into actual crawling, let me just show you how much wheel speed this thing has. All you do is flip the throttle. It basically hops. This thing is so fast.